Okay, welcome guys. This is Office Professional Advice. And under this professional advice, we're going to be considering a topic on the attendance records. How do we automate attendance records? Either attendance record for school or attendance record for a corporate entity for those that are working. So for this exercise, I will I will expect you that at the end of the discussion, you can be able to design your own attendance tracking system, maybe for your business or for some other adventures. This exercise, we will select this exercise, all right, as case study for stars. Assume that I am a lecturer at stars and I want to build on a automatic attendance tracker for my students. I want to know who named were present and how many times they were present for during the semesters, who named were absent and how many times they were absent for during the semester as well. And the number of times students will be present for, the system will go into award them specific points. The number of times they're going to be absent for, the system will also going to award them with specific points, or will deduct point from them. Then at the end of the day, the present, those that will be present for certain number of time, the the points awarded for each day will accumulate to uh, the total point is supposed to get at the end of the semester. Example, when you look here, since according to star system, if a child comes to class throughout the class, at the end of the semester, they say the child should get 10 points for attendance, right? Then when you look at this tracker, it means that, for example, you see April, you see May, you see June, and you see July. So it means that the semester runs for 4 months. And you see Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Only Monday, Wednesday, Friday is seen here. That is, the instructors only conduct the class 3 times a week. 3 times a week. So for 1 month, the men will come to class how many times? One, two, three. There's week one, week two from here, week three from here, week four. So Monday, Wednesday, Friday will be 1 week. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 1 week. And the same thing applies to May, and the same thing applies to June, and of course July. That means that if the person or the class will be conducted Monday, Wednesday, Friday per week, that will be 3 times 4, and at 12, so it means 12 times. Students will come for class 12 times. So 12 times 4 months, it will be how many? And at 48 days, that's how I have the total here. Make this so that you can see. So that's the calculation, total days. So the same way to, if you plan this thing for your corporate entity where employee comes to work from Monday to Saturday, that means that you have to put a month here and put Monday, Wednesday, Tuesday, just like that. So that is 5 days. So 5 times 4 will be 20 days in a week or 22 days in a month. But that is the case study for school, then you can use the idea to be on it later on. So May, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, 3 times a week, and then 12, so 12 times within 1 month. Say that 4 months will be 12 times 4. So we have 48. That's how we have this 48. So the 48, you don't want going to put it here manually because you know the entire class will be conducted for 12 times. Okay, let me magnify this so that you can see what I'm talking better. Okay, so this is how we go. So that's how we put 48 here. Then how did we manage to have the 48 here as present days? So by default, automatically, we build a system and we decide to put PP, right? So we say P for presence and A for absence. And if the child appears absence, let's say A right here, will appear in red. This is condition formatting. And then the child appear that it was in class for that day will be in blue automatically present. So the number of P per month, instead, for example, Monday P, Wednesday P, Friday P, just like that. The number of P present or present the child will get for 2 hours. The child comes to school for all 2 hours for April and for May and for June. Let's go to July and see something. And for July, you notice that the child will be present for about 48 days. You see here? But what if, let's say in July, the last Friday in July, let's say the child did not come for class, we'll put A here. Then 48 will turn to what? 47. Look at that. You see? Because there was a calculations from this view that anytime P appear here, add the number of days up. Anytime A appear here, subtract 1 day from here. And you see absent days here. So if I put A here, the absent day will increase. You see, if the absent increase for 2 days, it means 2 will be subtracted from the number of days the child will be present, which is 46, right? If I also add another A here, they will tend to 45 and they will tend to 3. Good. So now, as the present day is being decreased, the attendance value will also decrease, because since we come into class 3 times per week, that is Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, in that 4 months. So, and STAR says that if the child comes to school for executive every day for the 4 months, more 1 and 10 points. So we're going to subdivide 10 points by the number of days the class will be conducted. You get to the point? So when you look up here, you'll notice that it will be 0.2. So when you divide 10, that is 10 points by 48 days, which is the total time the child will come to school, it will be 0.2. So every present, every P here will be awarded 0.2. 0.2. So let's see A, there are A, there are A, there are A. You notice that the now will change. There are A, there are A. So the moment you do it, you see that change to 8, because the number of absent days are increased to 6 and the number of present are decreased to 42. So every P is awarded 0.2. The every A is awarded negative 0.2. So when we finish analyzing this system, let's see. Now, according to this system, the present day is for the number of present day is what? The total day is 48. Or now we derive this, that is 3 times the person coming to school 3 times a day, a week, right? So 3 times 4 we end up 12. So 12 times 4 more end up 48. How we get it? 48 days. And the present day is the number of P we accumulate to the amounts that will be here. So every P, if the child comes to P, if a child get P in front of another, the present, you automatically be here 48. But if you got 45, it means that let's see, this one, the 45 is here. Control C, that paste it right here. It's supposed to decrease. Okay, it's supposed to decrease, but I don't know what's going on. But was delete the first record from that because they have problem with the code. So let's take the second one. 48, 45. That is the child came to school for the out of the 48 days, they appear to class 45 times. Why? Because they had 3A. So that's how you get 3 options right here. And in this line, they will not have 10 points for the whole semester because they are missing 3 days, and every day is 0.2, right? 0.2. So 0.2 times 3 a day, there's something here, 1 point. So that's how they have 9 points right here. Now, what about the midterm? The midterm is, you already know what midterm for. According to STAR, midterm is 25 points. So if the child score grades, they will get about 23 points. Put a 23 point here. The project and other thing that STAR says that if for 30 points, you can see here. So if the child score 24 points out of the 30 points, we'll put it right here. Final exam, STAR so should give it for 35 points. So out of the 35 points, the child score 24 points. We'll put it right here. So the one you're going to put this figure here based upon the evaluation from the test scripts. But then to get it, the attendance now is why we created total days, present day, absent day, so that we can be able to accumulate the attendance points or attendance value to actually generate the exact 10 points or whatever point they might have based upon being present or being absent. So the total grade here is another addition. We add the attendance, the midterm value, the project value, the final exam. That's how we get the 80 point. Okay. Now let's see first how we manage to have P in blue and A in yellow, in red rather. So we have something called condition formatting. Condition formatting is where look, Excel, any cells that have P, give it blue, or A, give it what? Red. So the cell you want that particular function to take effect on, we have to click in that cell so that it can be active. When we finish, then we just autofill all over because in that part to do all the things in one. So I did it from the beginning right here. Let me go back. You see, I did it from the beginning here. I put a condition format here. Let's say A is here, red. I put a condition format here. Then when I did autofill all over. That's what I did. So let me show you how it works. I click right here. Then I come to insert. Oh, sorry, not insert, home. You will see something called condition formatting. You see, go to highlight cell rules. Then in highlight cell rules, you come to any cell that contain text. You see right here, text that contain what? It will bring you to a dialog box right here. Any text that contain A. Anywhere else you see any cell that has A, please give it a color. You click right here. Then you go to our customize formats. Customize formats. You okay. Then you can select the color you want to specify for that character. And that blue, okay. Let's say blue. You give it blue like this. If you want to make it bold, you can make it bold like this. Okay, you okay. Then our scene cell, the particular scene cell should be active. You go again back to the same place because there are two conditions one add on the one cell. If the cells A enter the cell here, we tell SSM already in blue. So sorry, it will be in red. So we gotta go back. A is red. Sorry. It is red. A is red. Custom format. Select red. Sorry for the mistake. Make it bold. And we're okay. And we're okay. Now the same cell here, it will remain active. We go to the same place. So add another condition formatting. That contains B. P, right? Percent. P stands for percent. Please, any child that was called P, and that blue, okay, let's change it to green. See, make it bold, make it green. Okay, make it green, make it green. Beautiful. Now, as it stands, now that put P right here. Good. It's changed to what? Green. So that's how we have that change of color based upon the letters. So this is under condition formatting. Now we said, let's go to the calculation of how we derive the attendance value. This particular for the 8 day came out because we're meeting the class 3 times per week: Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Okay, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So because we're meeting within 4 months, and 1 week, if 1 month, every 4 weeks, 1 month, and then we're meeting 3 times per week. So we multiply 3 because I'm Monday, Wednesday, Friday, right? 3 times per week times 4 weeks will give us 12 days per month. 12 days per month times 4 months will give us 48 days. That's how we wrote it for the 8 year. So we're going to write it for the 8 year manually. We're going to write it for the 8 year manually. If you're taking this analysis to a corporate entity where people working and they come in from Monday, Wednesday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, which is 6 days in the week, or let's say 5 days in the week, excluding some other holidays, because when you pay this, you got to think about holidays. That means you have to times the number of time people comes to work per week time, the number of months you pay them, okay? So that's how we get it for the 8 days right here. The present day is a calculation right here. It's a present day, it's a calculation. The total days is 48. So if the child consistently come and get PPPP, that the present, it means that the time will be present for that month is able to automatically reflect in 48 days, right? So how do we do that? So we start with a function called, here is it, count if equal count, equal count if. Please count, we'll grab the first row. If the child will come for, is it the first row we started? No. If the child will come for, yeah, that's the first row. That is the first row. If the child will come for class from Monday or throughout the month, come from here all the way and start with the last Friday in July. That is come if, comma, now parenthesis is double quote open. If anywhere you count from over there, from cell D6 to cell AY16, every cells that had PPPPPP, don't put it here, that's what I mean. Double quote open, double quote close, PPPP, parenthesis close, plus 1. Every P get a child or get a student plus 1 person. That's what that function means. That's what this code means. Count if me, please, if you count from this cell from the last Friday to the first Monday, from the first Monday in the how you call it, the class started from March, yes, and you find out that anyway you see P, every P give that child present, it represent present, so give that child 1 point, or represented by 1 day. What they want here for. Every P is set for 1 day. Every P is set for 1 day. So every P should be incremented by 1 by 1 by 1 by 1 by 1 by 1. That will get it one thing. Press enter. Beautiful. That's how we have for the 8 days, for the 5 days here. Now, why is it that I gave you 45 days? Because when you go, there's some cell that have A. Okay, P here. And let me demagnify. Maybe that's some cell that have A. Okay. Oh. It gave me 45 days. But right, so it'll be 48 days. So it means something wrong somewhere. Let me see something. Let me put A here. A 10 to 45. Let me put P. P is 10 to 44. So it will be 48 days, but this system was built a long time ago, so you got a little problem. So I believe when you start fresh and do your own fresh, it will completely take effects. Okay, so let's see, is it right here? Okay, let me see that P, let me see that P, let me see that P, let me see that P. Beautiful. Yeah, it took 48 days. So this one is P. Okay, 45 goes back to 45. Okay, so I'm going to delete the first row from here. Okay, because seems to be that it has problem. Okay, the first row gone. So now I have for the 8 days. So the present days for the 8 days. Okay, so let's do the calculation again. Equal count equal count if it count from the first day, starting from Monday all the way to the last Friday in July, comma, double quote open, anywhere you see P, double quote close, parenthesis open, increments every P by 1. Plus 1 by 1. Okay, good. We have not coming. Sorry. Okay, for the 8 days, so we have to take the plus 1 from there. Okay, I got the point. Got the 8 plus 1 from there. Okay, now something wrong somewhere. The first record here. Okay, let me see this one. Is showing 42. Poppy. Good. It go to 47 now because why? One more A here, P. So we don't have to put a plus 1, okay? So as I understand like that. So we have 48 right here. So that's how we have this 48. Now, what about the absent days? The absent days is the same thing. The same function from here is the same function from here, but just like we in place of the A, so in place of the P, we're writing A. So let me magnify again so that you see. So the absent day will be like equal count if I mean demodify so that I can go back. Count if that is from the second row, right? From where? From here all the way to all the way to the last P. All the way to the last P, comma, then double quote. Okay, me magnify, comma, double quotes. No, the first person was putting P, right? So this one put what? A, because one extra to count all the A and represented by the number of stuff. So parenthesis close. Good, 0. Why is it we have 0 here? Because extra check, you didn't see any child with absentee. So that created a 2 absence for the 6th present day, because 2A appear, definitely will subtract 2 days from the present day. That's how we have the number 2 right here. So if any question with calculating the present days and the absent days, you can still inbox me. So this attendance percentage is tied in with the present day and the absent day. So you notice right here, the child got 10 points here. Why? Because 0 absent day. 0 absent day. That's why they got 10 points right. But yeah, the child get 9 points because I mean, throughout the semester they didn't come to school 2 times, but they came to school for the 7 times or for the 7 days and they missed 2 days. So Esther getting 9 points. How? So this BA7, the present data right here, under this percentage sign, We got a function here wherein we will multiply the total present days times 0.2, because every day is a water while 0.2. Every day is 0.2. And I would say every day is a water 0.2. That's why you see the code right up here. 0.2. So to calculate it, equal the number of present days, 46 days times 0.2. How did we get 0.2? Stars should give every student 10 points, right? And they come into school for the 8 days. So 10 divided by 48 days, every day will be awarded 0.2. 0.2. So press equal. So that's how I had the 9 points. Okay? That was how I had the 9 points. So you already know the mating. I told you how based upon the evaluation what they were accumulated from the test scripts. They come right here, and then a project, and then a final exam. Then you notice how much the child scored per course. So far so good. This is just all. Most of the analysis is not about final grade, because they want, as someone get the attendance record, we just do our addition here, add from here, then we get our final grade. So we gotta know why we put P it into blue, why we put A it into red. You gotta know how to do it well and better. And these total days, we already know we're going to put it manually, because that the total days we come to school for. Then the present day is a calculations that we're using count from the first day to the last day, and then anyway say you see P, give it 1 day. Every time give it 1 day, and the same thing apply to absent day. Then the attendance, since 10 points are awarded for the 4 months regularity, so 10 divided by for the 8 days that we come to school for, the result you get, which is 0.2 times the number of present days will be in school for. Then when Excel does that, it will calculate the value of the attendance is supposed to get. So far so good. Please I know this is a little bit technical, but try to go through it. And any question, we will, by all means, by God's will, try to meet on Friday in the evening by 5, please. Thank you plenty. I see you.